Hi, I want to tell you about why papercrete is one of my favorite building materials. In particular, papercrete with acrylic paint in it. That's what I'm working with today. See in my bucket. Hi, I'm Angel, by the way, and this is a bottle wall I'm working on the back side of my Dragon Room edition. You kind of see the top of the Head Hutt over there. So I'm up on the roof of my main house, sitting here because it's a nice flat roof, and doing this last finish coat of papercrete with some paint in it. So here you can see my infill. I'll try to get up closer there. You can see it's nice and rough. I left it that way on purpose. It's harder than you might think. That is paper pulp, lime, Portland cement, and sand. And this is the same mix but with some acrylic paint, and I actually used a mortar mix, which is sand and Portland, instead of separating those out because somebody gave me some bags of that. But I love this material. For one, it's very forgiving. It gives you a long working time. It's relatively easy to clean up, easier than you'd think. Over here you can see I've wiped down these. They'll get one more cleanup, but that's pretty close to done. And it's just very, very versatile. It's very sculptable. You can build it up, you can cut it back, you can squish it, you can make it do all sorts of things. I come from a ceramics background in ceramics, so working with papercrete reminds me of working with ceramics very much. And however, you don't have to fire it in a kiln, and after it's cured, it does last a very long time, and it's actually much lighter than clay. Papercrete is lighter than concrete or clay. So is that three things? Let's see. It is gives you a long working time. It gives you a lot of versatility for doing all sorts of things with. It is very low tech. It's very inexpensive. I think all the things I'm thinking of right now fall under versatility. It's very forgiving, and it's very easy to clean up. I don't know, how many was that? 5, 6 things? There you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna get back to work because even though my working time is extended, it's not forever, and my arm is getting tired. So again, I love sharing. I love making progress on my projects. I'm excited to share the finished project. And yeah, making good progress to have this all finished up by winter around here. Stay free.